Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to verify your email on Discord. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, all you gotta do is simply tap open your Discord app. So once you have tapped open your Discord app, you will end up in this kind of interface. So now simply tap on the profile icon on the bottom right hand side of the corner. So once you do this, you will end up in this kind of interface. So simply tap on the gear-like icon on the top right hand side of the corner. Once you do this, you will be in this interface where you need to tap on account section. So once you have gone to your account, simply tap on your email, and once you have done this, you need to simply tap on send verification code. This will allow you to verify your email. Now, Discord need to verify your old email address in order to change it. So, by verifying your email, you can get different kind of benefits like changing your email address and different kind of stuff. So, simply follow the on-screen prompts and verify it after you get a mail in your email section. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.